is you. This is I. This is you. This is his back. No, his neck. His neck.
Yeah, we'll do that now. Historians and archaeologists believe alike that the natural landscape is a natural contour for shaping. Okay, all you need to do is add to it. You're not creating from new. So in other words, it's likely that this spot itself had some special meaning before they even thought about chalking it out. And Bill's point is this is like a natural shape. It's almost as if there's something going on here before they get here. And there is something going on here before they get here. Mother Nature has scoured the chalk out of this landscape already. And that's very important. This all this chalk itself was laid down in the Cretaceous period, geological time. We're talking about hundreds of million years ago. This is going to be, all this chalk is going to be full of sea life. I feel that you don't have to follow me to the tail. You follow along the hind leg if you want to. It's your choice. I'm going to go to the tail anyway. Well, there's the hind leg. Look at the patella on the knee there. Look how
Okay, give me this now. People camping down there, love.
it's walking on its tail.
Right, stay there.
And lots of you haven't done it. Kind of steep, yeah. I wonder if any of you have done anyone's done the leg. I felt it was coming to the end.
Gravity pushed you down.
Yeah. Yes.
Well, you wonder if the original bit was down here.
I thought this was the end of the beginning.
Well, it looks as if the previous one was alongside it here.
I actually feel that as well. Unless it was wider.
Why have we got a bleeding time machine to take us back and see?
Yeah, but there is one problem with that. That bleeding time machine, right? You're standing at this point, unless you've got the imaging switch, and the earth is going to change and all the rest of it.
It's longer as well. See the colour of the grass.
Dorothy, what did you feel going down there? Keith said it's leading you somewhere.
Yes, this is what I had to do last time we came.
Take me down.
Just careful.
In a procession with torchlight.
Yes.
Yeah, very impressive.
This would just be,
Ideal.
yeah, you wouldn't stop that, would you?
You wouldn't stop, you'd keep going.
Go on for something else.
Oh, go into the tump there,
Yeah.
maybe?
That seems to lead on to it, doesn't it?
It does seem to lead onto it, yes.
What did you say that was over there? I missed that bit.
That's the Dragon's Hill. Dragon's
Do we know
Mount.
anything about that? Is that contemporaneous, or what the word is? Contemporary.
Temporary. The problem is we don't know if it's a conical shape. Right, but it's definitely glacial. No, it's not a barrow or anything, no. But you know what? Yeah, no, it's natural. It's definitely natural, honestly. I know it's natural. No, it's natural. 100% natural. I know that for a fact. In fact, it's never really been explored. Like the geologists tell us it's natural, and it's a very, very strange landscape because if that natural amphitheatre where lots of the other more modern white horses can be found.
But I can see in the terrace fields down the bottom of it.
They're believed to be medieval.
They're identical to Devil's Dyke in City.
Up or down?
It's the same. They've got the seaside and you've got...
And the other thing as well is in Cardigan you've actually got raised beaches there as well. Enormous.
That's not man-made to me, those terraces.
But then again, doesn't that look like it's man-made?
Yeah, it does.
Jelly baby.
Oh, hey, Michelle,
Their heads off.
you know what happens when I have a jelly baby, don't you?
What happened, Michelle?
There goes nuts.
What happened if you had two?
No, just the one would do it. And he haven't even finished it before it starts having an effect.
Yeah, no, actually. I want another one to bite the head off in honour of the site. Michelle, jelly baby, in honour of the site, a libation.
Yeah.
Oh yes! Did you see that? Sacrifice. We start with the jelly baby, then we move on to cat. Yeah, apparently.
You see that eye thing does work. It said it was going to be. Didn't it? Look, I got a wood pack. Do you want one, Bunny?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Take two of them.
This one's not
Yeah,
enough
Pete's
for
at
me.
the top.
Another one.
He didn't want to come down. He said he'd have to walk back up there.
Another one. What's her name? Bonnie.
Bonnie? Do you want another jelly baby?
No thanks. Oh, mummy.
He's got knees, have he? Pete's got knees. Apparently Pete's got knees.
How many?
Well, if you've been impregnated by the kettle door, you've got 4.
It's worse, we got 4.
I made a classic mistake last time saying about the kettle door. I said, when a woman's been riding on the back of the kettle door,
When?
right?
You know when I
A
fell?
few weeks later, a few months later,
Right
right?
there. My
there was
leg
some
felt
lovely
better.
protruding from
This is.
I actually met there are 2 lovely.
Do you know what I want to do?
area.
I want to roll down that hill. It makes me want to roll down that hill into the valley.
Something out of Lord of the Rings.
It's just a hard one. Welsh speaker corrected me for the whole thing, and I called her Cathy. She was very annoying, unlike you.
Mum, what's that dot there on the mountain?
It's called Dragon's Hill, so maybe it's a dragon egg.
Do you know, is it possible, right?
A dragon eye.
Terms and conditions of archaeology coming. Nobody's
Or
allowed to
maybe
on the basis
it might
that they're going to
be,
feel so hurt that I'm not going to be able to pronounce the Welsh name. That's not acceptable.
maybe
is it?
there's a dragon there, and that hill thing is a dragon cave,
how many of you
maybe.
want to go up to the hill fort with me? You don't all have to go.
Yeah, we paid for it.
Yeah, we'll pay for it, absolutely. Oh, if you pay for it, does that mean you get a refund?
Oh no, you've got the views.
Oh, that's good. Ah, you see? Technical details. I like the technical details. Actually, Michelle, can we have a photograph of the gang? Come on. Kathy can't go anywhere.
Hang on.
I've got that's our the gang that made it to the test. Look impressed.
Look interested, whatever you do. Not just look. 1, 2, 3.
Right, and we want one with you in it, Bill, because Michelle, you don't go in the newsletter otherwise. Do I have to stay in this pose, Dorothy?
Yeah,
Bill, come on, this is ridiculous.
I'm on movie at the moment.
Oh my God, no,
that'll be a
Oh my God. You've been, right, go on, do it again.
that's frightening.
1,
This is a Roman. Bill, you've got to be in it now, come on.
I got to be in it. You got to be in it to win it.
Come on, Anne, come on, Bill. No, we've got to have Bill in it. Easy, slow today.
Is that because
It's like,
is that because I'm the most photogenic person in the group?
no, Michelle, Kathy's on that pop-up that we got. She's on it about 5 minutes.